Hello everybody, I am Torit Mato and you are watching Art in Purulia. Today we will discuss about cauliflower effect. While painting with watercolor, cauliflower effect or blooms are created when water or wetter paint is applied on a semi-dry painted surface. When you don't desire it, it's a mistake and better avoided. But what if we want the effect to happen deliberately? The process can be very effectively used to depict certain textures. In this video, we'll paint a cauliflower and see can we use the so-called cauliflower effect to paint a cauliflower itself, or there can be better means. Firstly, I made the outlines of the cauliflower and the leaves using HB pencil. Keep it as light as possible because the colors we'll be using will be quite light enough so that the pencil marks don't appear. Then I applied a wash of pale yellowish green over the cauliflower. When the paint was semi-dry, that is, the surface is no more shining with the visible water, I added some water to it to generate the blooms. The blooms get generated and you can see it once it's dry, but we don't get the desired effect of the grains of the cauliflower here. It's looking more like a cabbage than cauliflower. You can experiment this with a darker color and preferably with organic color, that is, which has natural pigments. The effect is more prominent when the pigments can be moved easily by the water. The synthetic paints, on the other hand, don't give such a good effect and they leave stains. We apply the same procedure here, that is, apply clean water over the semi-dry paint. We can see here that with a dark color, the cauliflower effect or blooms is more prominent and much more clear. The effect I got here, I am not satisfied with it, so let me see some other method. This time I'll paint the cauliflower as well as the other leaves first before applying the method of the salt. So I'll paint the background and the cauliflower itself I'll give a uniform wash and thereafter paint the background of the leaves and the dark background, and thereafter apply some salt over the cauliflower area. This time I'll add salt to a semi-dry surface. Let's see if we can get the effect of the grains. When dry, I remove the salt and you can see a good texture is created, and you can accentuate this effect with some spray using a toothbrush. Now that we are happy with our experiment and we can see that the cauliflower effect actually cannot be used to paint a cauliflower, but you can use it for generating textures of many other surfaces. I hope you liked the video. Stay healthy and safe. See you.